We're going to review the top 5 best tool chests, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Seville Classics 6-Drawer Rolling Cabinet. This tool chest from Seville Classics doesn't just store your tools, it also comes with a wooden top, allowing you to pull out your tools and complete your projects on top of the chest. If you can't use the worktop for your project, you can use the chest's wheels and handle to move it to where you're working. While this toolbox costs more than the other ones in this review. Number 2. Husky Extra Deep Workbench. This product comes with more drawers than your standard tool chest. Not only does it have 9 drawers, but the drawers are deep at almost 30 inches, providing you with more storage space. Because of its large size and heavy-duty, steel construction, it can hold up to 1,100 pounds of tools inside. However, a few customers said that it took longer than expected for their tool chest to arrive. Number 3. Keter Rolling Tool Chest. This tool chest is recommended for homeowners who want a fast and easy solution for clearing their workspace of tools. It comes with 5 drawers that have removable bins, allowing you to organize your storage space, 4 removable wheels, and side handles for carrying. Customers said that although the tool chest is made of plastic instead of metal, the plastic is thick, which makes it feel more durable. Number 4. Craftsman CMS T82765BK Tool Chest with Drawer Liner Roll. This tool chest comes with a drawer liner roll that can be cut to fit all 4 drawers and prevent tools from rolling around. While this tool chest isn't particularly large, it's made of thick steel and can hold up to 500 pounds. It has several drawers for storage, a liner roll to prevent tools from rolling around, wheels for transportation, and a lock and key for security. However, some customers received a damaged tool chest. Number 5. Goplus 6-Drawer Rolling Tool Chest. This product can be a tool chest or a toolbox. If you're working on a project that requires more mobility, you can fill the box on top with the tools you need and detach it from the chest. Another unique feature of this combo tool storage option is that the toolbox attaches in more than one place. You can place it on top of the tool chest or in the open space below the 2 drawers. Positive reviews stated that this tool chest was sturdy, durable, and relatively compact, fitting comfortably into tight spaces. However, more than one customer received the product without its key.